So in regards to what you can expect after a long crack is repaired, what kind of visibility you can expect, long crack repairs can actually look really, really great if you do your work properly. But there's a couple of factors to consider. And the first is, the buildup of debris and dirt within the crack. If the crack has been there for some time, there's discoloration inside the long crack, that's obviously going to play into not only the adhesion of the resin, but also the visibility of the crack once it's completed. And of course, you're always going to see the long crack from one angle. So from one angle, you're going to pick up just a slight shimmer of that surface crack, and that's always going to be something that's visible no matter what you do. However, our tinted resin, in particular with our long crack resins, our crack weld resins, is specifically modified to absorb that extra light refraction and reflection that is present in a surface crack, a long crack. So there's actually we've kind of frequency tuned the quantity of tint that is in that gray resin in order to help reduce the visibility of the long crack after it's repaired. And it's also really important to remember to create the proper expectation with your customer when you're doing a long crack. Never would you want to give the impression that the crack is going to completely disappear. That's going to lead to disappointment on your customer's part. Rather, you would want to create a proper expectation, usually around 60 to 80% visible improvement, and hopefully you can deliver 80 to 90, therefore underselling and over-delivering, and you'll always have a happy customer.